Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will show you how to repair and extract data from a corrupt PDF file using ChatGPT, step by step. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Click on the plus button in the chat to upload a PDF. If the file is corrupt, ChatGPT might say something like, "This file cannot be read. No worries, we will fix it." Type a message like, "This PDF is corrupt. Please repair it or extract any readable information and create a downloadable file," and hit the enter. ChatGPT will start reading the file, recovering whatever data it can, and then generate a new downloadable PDF for you. Once the download link appears, click it. The repaired PDF will begin downloading immediately. Open the file to check. As you can see, the file has been successfully recovered. That is it. ChatGPT just help you recover a corrupt PDF file in minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.